Welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to enable vibration for trending lenses notifications on Snapchat using the latest updated settings. If you love staying on top of new and trending filters but keep missing notifications, turning on vibration is a simple way to make sure you never miss out again. Let's jump right into it. First, go to your phone's settings. This is where all your device controls live, including how apps send you alerts. Once you're in settings, scroll down and tap on apps. Depending on your phone, it might also be labeled as apps and notifications or something similar. Now, find and tap on Snapchat from the list of installed apps. This will open all the permissions and notification settings specific to Snapchat. Next, tap on Notifications. Here you'll see different ways Snapchat can alert you. Look for the option called Notification Categories and tap on it. This section lets you customize specific types of notifications instead of applying the same setting to everything. Scroll through the list until you find Trending Lenses, then tap on it. Inside this section, you'll see several options for how you receive these notifications. What you want to do here is toggle on Vibrate. Once you enable this, your phone will vibrate whenever there's a notification about trending lenses, making it much easier to notice even if your sound is off. And that's it. You've successfully enabled vibration for trending lenses notifications on Snapchat. This small tweak can make a big difference, especially if you like trying out new filters as soon as they drop. If you found this helpful, make sure to check your other notification settings too. You might discover more ways to customize your Snapchat experience.